Hi guys. Yeah, it's a little bit chilly today. So the city is getting busier and busier by day. However, the schools are still closed and I feel like grabbing something to eat. I want to eat Chinese snacks. Chinese fish delicacies. Oh yeah, a squid. It goes for 10 yuan for 8. It's very delicious and this is how they're preparing it. This is how they are preparing it. As you can see, everyone is still wearing their masks and people really say that should we wear masks, shouldn't we wear masks? Hey, I think you should wear a mask and change your mask, especially the surgical mask. Change it every 4 hours. Yes, change it every 4 hours. And as for the N95 mask, I'm not sure. I think you have to wash it daily or something like that. I'm not sure. Or use a sanitizer. I don't know, but I prefer surgical masks. I buy like 100 of them, and I change them every 4 hours. So this is how they prepare the Chinese delicacy. I like eating this. I like eating. Oh, remember the WeChat? I spoke about the WeChat. You scan here and then you pay and the money gets deposited into their WeChat account. And yeah, that's how it works. Okay, that's how it works. Just be with me, and if you got any questions, you can keep on inboxing me, and I will keep you posted on what is going on in China. Since I've been here, it's really cold. It's been really cold. Hello. I can't wait for summer, and it looks like I have winter clothes, and I'm tired of buying winter clothes, so I can't wait for summer. I can't wait for summer. Okay, he's preparing it. Let me show you around. Yeah, okay. Oh, one more thing that they did also. They implemented a health app where you have to record your temperature daily, and when you use a cap, I use a cap most of the time I use a cap, and when you use a cap you have to, oh, this is street food again, you know, street food again. I'm tired of eating my home cooked food, so I'm just showing you guys. Yes, I'm showing you. Oh yeah, I was talking about the healthcare app. You record your temperature, and when you use a cap, they're gonna ask you to scan so that it shows that you are coronavirus free or you're healthy, because they don't want any more mistakes. You can see everyone is still wearing their masks. Yeah. Shisha, hello. Okay. Let's go back to the food. I ordered my delicacy on the other side, so I just wanted to go and check if it's ready or not. Okay, you know they like speaking English. Chinese people like speaking English. So yeah, every time they see you, they just smile. Happy people. They're just happy people. We love being around them. Yeah, we love being around them. I want to quickly go and check up on the okay, it's almost done. Okay, check guys, it's almost done. me. I can't wait to dig in. Okay? I can't wait to dig in. And thanks for watching my channel. Continue to see what's happening abroad. Continue to see how my life gets. Continue to tune onto my channel. Okay? And I will show you a little bit of my side of world. Okay? Thanks for watching my video. Continue to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that red button on the bottom to see what is really happening outside in China. Sorry.